guys, so welcome back. So obviously this look is a little bit different than my original brown smokes look that I've already put up. If you haven't already seen that, go check it out. It's more of a kind of almost like a festival look, but it's inspired from Kaylee Mua and Mitchell, but they're two of my absolute faves. So yeah, this look today is just kind of introducing a different side to the makeup that I like doing, and I just love getting creative with my makeup. I love when someone comes in to me and asks something like this, like people never really do, but it's just like I just get really into these kind of looks. So I hope you enjoy this video. So if you do like it, obviously make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if there's anything else, you know, follow my Instagram and that kind of thing. Yeah, just I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in my next video. I just started with one eye done, obviously, as I always do, and again I want to say that normally I would do my eyes first and my face after, but I'm just not confident enough yet to come on bare face. Alright, so I've already of course done my eyebrows, and like honestly I plucked them about 5 days ago and they've already grown back. Like I I can't deal. I have set my base and everything. I've used the Jaclyn palette, this shade, that one here, to do a bit of highlighter there and on my inner corner, because I like doing it first because I feel like if you do it after you're kind of ruining the blend. So I just go ahead and do it first. So I'm going to start off this look by using this shade here. We're probably going to be using a lot of the same colours as the last one, but as you can see it's clearly not the same look. And using my V5 brush from BH Cosmetics, I'm just going to start applying this in kind of circular motion. Alright, so once I've blended that colour in, we're going to keep with the Jaclyn palette. I'm going to play around with these two colours here, the yellow and the kind of burnt orange shade. You only need the tiniest amount from this palette, honestly. So yeah, we're going to kind of make this a little bit more orangey. Right, so after that, I'm going to bring a darker colour here. Why the fuck do I always make weird accents, like, honestly? But yeah, I'm going to use a little bit of that, only a little, like a small amount. The brush I'm using is the 228 from Zoeva. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend. Burning down the wall street. Like I just think that this colour goes quite nice with the orange. The pink I'm gonna be using in a minute is very vibrant. It's very, like, it's actually beautiful. I wanted to kind of introduce the colours slowly. So I'm just gonna use this brush, just using whatever's left on it. I'm not adding any more product, to just blend those pinks out. So once I've done that, we're going to go in with a little bit of pink, and this is from a Morphe palette as well, but it's not the Jaclyn. You'll probably be relieved to hear. Yeah, so this is from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to be using this pink here, and I'm going to be using that on my 221 brush from Zoeva. I'm just going to blend it out. So this is just going to really bring that nice brightness. Just gonna make it really, really nice and colourful, like just those vibrant pinks. I'm a big lover of pinks anyway. Like on my eyes, especially with blue eyes, they just complement them beautifully. So I'm a big lover. And then just blending that all back out again. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna start this blue section here. Because I'm quite messy, like I'm actually, you shouldn't see, like I've never done art in school or anything, like I was shy, like actually shy. I'm gonna start off by kind of just giving myself a little bit of a kind of tracing line almost, and for that I'm going to be using my 238 Luxe Precise brush from Zoeva and the 76 gel liner from Inglot, which is just white. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just to kind of give myself, like you're going to be blending it and you're not going to see the white at the end. It's just to kind of give myself a guideline as to where I want the blue to be. So obviously you can see part of it has gone kind of pinky and stuff, but we're not worried about that because it's not the whiteness that I want to see. It's messy, you can see it's messy, but it's just a general guideline. So I'm going to be using my 231 brush next. I'm going back to my 35B palette and we're going back to that vibrant pink. Make it a little bit less harsh. But obviously the eyeliner is a little bit more stubborn than the eyeshadow, so it's not going to like completely get rid of that line. We're just like using a very soft touch like so. So next I'm gonna go in with a brush that I never thought I'd be using again. It's just from the Naked palette, but this small little brush is very good for being precise and whatnot. Oh, I can't do it with this colour, it's honestly so beautiful. It's this like royal glittery blue there, and oh, I'm so obsessed with it, like honestly I can't deal. And I'm going to be getting a bit of that on my brush and just starting to build it up, and I'm going to be building it up kind of in the centre of my lid. So I'm going to move on to my Eco Tools brush next, and we're going to be using kind of Inglot and Morphe eyeshadows. So I'm going to have to include these in the description because this one's a bit broken, so I really don't want to take it out. But I'm just going to be using this shade here from Inglot with a little bit of this shade here from the Morphe 35B palette. And we're just going to be again playing with those, like those first two colours we're using. Just going to mix them together, and I'm going to put that at kind of either side of my eye and just kind of blend that in to our darker colour. And the next bit that I'm going to be doing is glitter. I'm going to be using this here, and this is the NYX glitter primer, and I actually love this. I didn't know if I'd like it or not, but it's really nice. If you find glitter hard to blend, then get yourself a bit of this because it's so good. Do you ever see people putting on glitter with duo glue? I'm like, what are you doing? Like, so the glitter I'm going to be using is the 117 Pigment from Inglot, so it's a beautiful aqua kind of blue. So I'm just going to grab a little bit of that glitter primer and add that to, again, the centre of my eye, but just blending it out a little bit as well. So I'm going to be getting a bit of that the Inglot glitter, and I'm just going to work that up using the NYX base. I'm going to make sure to close my pigment because I've spilled many pigments in my eyes. So going back to the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be using this really nice yellow shade here for underneath the eye. Underneath the eye I'm just going to use some of that super vibrant pink that we were using. And then of course blend that back out. Now we have a few more finishing touches to do. The first little touch being just a tiny, now when I say tiny I mean like the tiniest dab of black, like, and just get it here on the outside, dot it on a little bit and blend it. It's just going to make the outside of the eye to me look complete. It doesn't look complete to me without this little bit of darkness on the outside. The next little thing we're going to do is get some white eyeliner. I'm going to get a small bit of this again on my 238 brush and just popping that under the eye. The next little bit I'm going to do is just going to get whatever's left on this little brush that we used on our eye. And I'm just placing a little bit of that underneath this eye. And then of course adding mascara just to my bottom lashes, just because I have eyelash extensions. And then finally, to finish the whole look, I'm just going to get a little bit more of that white shade that I always use here in the Jaclyn Hill palettes, just to make that highlight even brighter. So that is finished the look there. I hope you enjoyed it. I actually enjoyed filming it so much. And let me know if you like these kind of looks or if you like more plain and simple looks. So yeah, I hope you enjoy and I will see you all soon.